Welcome to our 2025 guide on how to reuse selections on FanDuel. Today, we'll explore the ins and outs of this feature, ensuring you maximize your betting experience. Reusing selections allows bettors to save time and effort, leading to smarter betting decisions and potentially increased profits. Let's dive into how to easily access your previous selections. Just follow these simple steps to retrieve your past bets. Have you ever needed to adjust your selections? I'll show you how to easily edit and adapt your previous bets to fit current conditions. Maximize your winning potential. Here are some key strategies that leverage your reused selections for better outcomes. Avoid these common pitfalls when reusing your selections to ensure your bets remain sharp and informed. Let's take a closer look at the user interface to help you navigate to your reused selections with ease. Here are some real-life examples where bettors found success using reused selections. Inspiration for your next bet. Stay organized. Here's how to keep track of your reused selections for ultimate betting efficiency. Thank you for joining us. We encourage you to give reusing selections a try and watch your betting strategy soar.